ONFO. This is the one that you teased a little bit. We're going to do BTOG next because we're going to keep these kind of thematically together. This is on Folio Holdings, and you can see that this stock was a penny player and ripped over 100% up to 160. Now it's retraced some of that move. It's holding higher here by about 68%, 65%. It's moving around here. But here's the news. Onfolio signs a $100 million equity financing deal with an institutional investor, and that is to accelerate the acquisition strategy. Now, if you actually look into this PR, it says this facility is another tool in our growing capital toolkit that gives us more optionality, to move aggressively on acquisitions. Plug each one into the AI infrastructure we've built and continue compounding through both our operating business and our digital asset treasury. So remember those DAT plays that used to go too. We've got AI here, we've got DAT here, we've got a new PR here, and they actually have the financing activity that MYSE did not have. Let's take a quick peek at the short interest here. 1.78% of the float shorted with 1 day to cover. So I don't think there's any short squeeze potential here. The stock has a float of 4.6 million. So it's a little bit more than MYSE, but barely, not even a million shares more. Both of these are low float. Both of these can move. Stock here traded on average, trades 192,000 shares. Today it's done 55 million. 55 million. 13, what do you think here on ONFO?
Yeah, and this is the thing that was kind of making me chuckle a little bit. It's here we go with another, institutional investor that goes unnamed. We had an institutional investor that delivered the 50 million in facility financing with Allbirds. So then that wasn't named either. But here we are with another institutional investor dropping, millions of dollars on a company to accelerate their strategies. This one also appears to have, I guess that was a wrong print. I thought this had some high short interest, but it doesn't.
It does not.
So the company does have some cash. It is almost profitable. And there's 4.6 million shares in the float. So we could see maybe some better price action out of this, but I don't know. Because here we are back down testing the dollar. And I think that if we hold above $1, then we're going to, once we open, we'll probably see a better set of price action. But right now, VWAP is going to be resistance. And if we manage to get through that, then we'll want to see what happens at 150. We do have prints over 150, but that looks to be the resistance area because we couldn't close over 150. And we started really selling off once we couldn't close in the 10 minutes that we were up there.
Yeah, and I'll say, just looking at these two new ones here today, MYSE versus ONFO, the trading action in the pre-market here on MYSE is way more palatable than a big rip like this and a massive quick pullback. Now, I'm not saying that can't change, but something to watch here.